Now our topic is data transfer on the internet. While sitting in one corner of the world, we transfer data on the internet to a very distant area in few seconds. Let us see how it happens. We normally send email or some video to our relative, friend, or business associate. Have we ever thought how the plain data or video or music file has reached the other person who is living abroad or in some other city in a matter of just few seconds? Let us see how it happens. All the computers on the internet communicate with one another using the TCP/IP protocol. TCP/IP protocol is the basic protocol of the internet. We will discuss about this protocol in detail in the coming lectures. Now the data travels over the internet. It follows certain steps. First step, TCP protocol breaks the data into small packets. Each packet contains data and address part. Suppose this is the data. Now TCP protocol breaks this data into small packets. Let us assume that this was the data and it has been broken into small packets. These are the small packets. Now each packet contains data and address part. Suppose this is the data part and the other is address part. That is, each packet, small packet, contains two parts. One is data part and the other is address part. Now the other protocol, which is the internet protocol, handles the address part of each of the packet so that each packet is sent to the correct address. Now these are the small packets which travel from router to router until these small packets reach to the correct destination, that is the recipient. All the packets of data do not follow the same route. You can see that these small packets do not follow the same route. Some of the packets follow this route. There are some other who follow this route. There are some other small packets of data who follow this route. But at the final destination, TCP protocol reassembles the packets into original whole. It means that these small packets now follow the different routes. These are the small packets. Though these follow the different routes, they reassemble at the final destination. And this is done by TCP protocol. It is not that the breakage into small packets or traveling through different routers or reassembling at the final destination takes a long time. All this process takes place in few seconds. This is just an overview. Now the other point is getting access to the internet. It is not that we purchase mobile or TV, computer or laptop from the market and we are able to access the Google, YouTube or any other website. We have to have an internet connection. Internet connection is provided to us by the internet service providers. At present, there are more than 300 internet service providers in India. Now the question arises, who are internet service providers? An internet service provider is a company or organization which provides the facility of internet to its customers. And only After having the internet connection, the customers are able to surf the web, do online shopping, conduct business, and connect with family and friends through email or WhatsApp or whatever other. Internet service providers may also provide other services such as email services, domain name registration, web hosting, browser services. For providing service to its customers, internet service providers use several technologies such as DSL, dial-up, cable internet access, 3G, 4G, 5G, WiMAX, Wi-Fi. We have discussed these technologies in our previous course. In India, Reliance Jio, Airtel, Vodafone Idea, BSNL, etc. are the examples of few internet service providers. Now, there are certain points which we should keep in mind while subscribing to an internet connection. Whenever we want to access the internet, we should have an active internet connection. Before subscribing to the internet connection, there are certain points which we should keep in mind. Some of the common points while selecting an internet connection plan are as under. What is the purpose of getting an internet connection? Whether we are to use it as an individual level only to see what is going on the Facebook or WhatsApp, or we are to use it commercial or for some other purpose where there is heavy usage of internet. Next point is, what will you use the connection regularly? Whether you will use the internet throughout the day or just for few minutes. Next point is, how much data will be downloaded on an average per month? It means that how much internet usage will be there, whether you will be downloading or uploading videos off and on, or you will just use the internet for a very few minutes daily. How much speed do you need? It may be possible that you are only to use it at an individual level, but it is quite possible that you have to upload or download videos at a very fast speed. For example, we are having an internet connection. If we have a very a low price internet connection plan, we will be able to upload our video in a very long time, but we cannot afford slow speed. So we have to subscribe an internet connection plan which gives us higher speed. Then another point is, what technology is available in your particular area. Suppose you are living in an hilly area where the wires or cables cannot be spread by the internet service providers, then their wireless technology will be useful for internet connections. Then what are the different plans available from the ISPs? Now there are many internet service providers in different parts of the city or in each and every part of the world. Then we have to go through the different plans. What is the price and what type of service they are providing us? Suppose they provide $1 and the speed, they provide the data of 1 GB. Then there may be the other who in $3 is providing 10 GB data. Then these types of plans have to be looked into from the different service providers which may be available in your particular area where you are residing or doing business. Then we have also to see whether there is any limitation or catch for the selected plan. It is also possible that you have purchased an internet connection for say $100 and they say that they will provide you 100 GB in the month. But there may be a rider that you cannot use more than 3 GB per day. This is the limitation. It is not that you have not used the internet facility for 20 days, then only say 10 days are left. Then, as per the limitation, you will be in a position to use only 3 GB data per day. That is, in other words, in the rest of the month for 10 days, you will be maximum able to use the facility for only 30 GB and not the 100 GB total. Such type of limitations or conditions may be imposed by the internet service providers. So while selecting any internet connection, we have not only to see the price at which the service is being provided, we have to go into various details. What is the limit per day for the whole month? Or we have to go through the different plans which are being provided by the different internet service providers. We have to carefully go through this different and what are the various limitations on each of these plans. Now, this is a device which has been shown. We usually use this type of device in our homes. This word modem comes from contracting two words. First word is modulator and the other is demodulator. Both of these words, modulator and demodulator, combine to form modem. Modem is a device which performs modulation and demodulation. Now, what is modulation? What is demodulation? The process of converting digital information into analog signals at the sender's site is called modulation, and then the process of converting analog signals into digital information at the receiver's end is known as demodulation. We can also inform you that we have already uploaded many courses such as how to manage stress, good communication skills are the key to success, corporate social responsibility, present tense, past tense, future tense, time management tips, many other courses on business studies, cyber security, most common mistakes in English grammar, and much more. You can look out for the same on our own website, on YouTube, Google, and many other websites. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.